Podaxis pistillaris, type of fungus called shaggy mane. That is a type of fungus that's adapted to dry and drought. It's the only thing I've seen out here other than a few shrubs surviving. It's so dry right now. Pretty amazing. Hoping to find some breadroot today, the rare breadroot. Potamonium. I always forget the genus on that. If you look it up, breadroot, there's a long story about Sacagawea during the Lewis and Clark expedition, and apparently she knew its medicinal qualities and healed her from some sort of sickness. I don't know. Google it and read about it. It's really, really cool. So I walk in the footsteps of Sacagawea looking for breadroot out here. Thinking of you, Sacagawea. Here I sit in the desert working. I'm a crazy girl.